We're here in Novato and just want to give an overview of this re-landscaping that we did for this front and rear existing property here. So we came in, there's existing lawn, kind of older, tired plantings here. So we came in and redeveloped with a new scheme for the front and backyard. So let's kind of take a look here. So new planter and entryway. We've got some nice lavender, some Santa Barbara daisy, germander, and Japanese maple there. We've got some roses and tree roses up against the house. And then new lawn within here, and new irrigation system throughout. So we did a all new pop-up sprinkler system for the lawns, front and back, and then we did all new drip system here for this setup. And then new fencing and woodwork here as well, and we'll look at that a little bit. So we have this new fence with a nice white finish here and new gate coming in. And then as we head to the backyard, we've got a flagstone walkway that then connects us into the backyard. And let's take a look here. So in the backyard, we retrofitted all the existing fencing. So we went in to some of the existing fences and rebuilt those. So new side fence, new rear fence, and then new lawn and plantings throughout, and then a nice centerpiece of this redwood pergola, and we'll take a little bit closer look at that in a second here. And then throughout here we did sort of a nice country style of where we've got compacted decomposed granite patios here, and those are trimmed with some nice McNear brick trim that we have here. So this was a nice sand mold Verona brick trim that we used around the brick here. That gives some nice seating areas here. So we've got this nice seating area and barbecue area off the deck here. And then underneath the redwood pergola, so we can see this redwood pergola, nice heavy timber construction, 6x6s and 4x12s. And then that uses this Simpson outdoor accent hardware, which gives nice finishing touches within those on all of our joist and beam connections there. And then you can see underneath there, we've got our seating area and decomposed granite patio to match. And then the lawn, so new lawn, new fencing. You can see they back up against the marsh here. So new lawn, we've got a nice little seating area over on this side in the corner. New perimeter plantings, so we've got sages, catmint, roses, lavender, and then a little shade garden over on this side where we've got some rhodies, camellias, azaleas, and ferns, and some Japanese maples. So nice little seating area over on this piece. And then we installed a nice little garden gate that leads over to the side yard utility area, and then a new gate coming in that matches on the other side. And then over here in the back, we've got that same Verona McNear brick that we did a new walkway here, and then that connects in to the seating area and takes us back into the deck. So that was this installation here in Novato.